Jeward Enterprises Limited, established in 1999, is a leading manufacturer and exporter of plastic injection and blowing mold. Our factory, based in Huangyan, Taizhou, is equipped with experienced engineering team and advanced production facilities. CNC machines with different degrees of precision are processing 24 hours a day, programmed and operated by highly skilled workers. We are also equipped with laser ranging and spotting press. From indoor to outdoor, from adult to kid products, you can find abundant types of injection molds for plastic products in Jeward Mould. Driven by a commitment to high quality and excellent service, we have been supplying molds to more than 150 customers in over 50 countries. With more than 20 experienced mechanical engineers, Jeward Mould builds a strong research and developing department. We apply professional software, mold flow, prototype molding, and 3D printing to produce high-quality mold designs and thus provide customers with various solutions to meet their requirements. We ensure that our plastic mold products will cooperate smoothly with customers' engines, including injection molding machines, robotics, water chillers, etc. Our sales company, Xiamen Jeward, is licensed to handle import and export business to all parts in China. Jeward Mould offers you one-step mold solution to destination worldwide.